Healthy food doesn't have to be boring. This high protein chicken fajita and rice is so delicious and easy to make. Start by seasoning the chicken with everything that is mentioned on screen. Take a screenshot if you need it. Now we cook the chicken in some olive oil. Once the chicken is cooked, take it off the heat and in the same pan add garlic, onion and some bell peppers. Season it up and we add our soaked washed rice in it. Add double the quantity of water, add some salt and let it cook for 10 minutes. This is honestly so easy to make, so boys don't shy away and make this post workout. I've made this yummy mint chutney to go with it. Check the caption for all the details and just look at that.